Hello, and today I will be showing you how to build 3 easy grinders and build a boat for treasure.
First place, 2 blocks of your choice. Then place a servo on top and delete the blocks. Place a hinge on top and move it 0.5 like I did. Then place a chair on top of the hinge and move it down twice. Now save it and reload. Once you sit in the chair, place a cake, delete the chair, and launch or unanchor. Once you're in the air, make sure not to touch the ground. First place 2 of the strongest blocks you have, then delete the bottom one and make this shape. Then place a hinge in the middle. Then stand on the hinge and place 2 glue blocks on the hinge. Then launch or an anchor. First place a titanium rod, then place concrete block on top. Then place 2 titanium rods facing out. Then place a hinge and move it 0.5 to the side. Place a wood block on the hinge. Then place a magnet on the last rod like I do. Lastly, place a pilot seat on the concrete block. Then click launch. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to like and subscribe. Have an amazing day.